So, what is post traumatic growth? Hi, I'm Nicole. I'm a licensed clinician, and we are talking about things that happen in our everyday lives that impact our mental health and fitness. And we jumped in on the deep end to talk about post traumatic stress disorder and trauma, as well as complex PTSD. And I feel like we do a disservice, just in general, society does a disservice to people by not addressing post traumatic growth. Post traumatic growth can happen without ever having developed post traumatic stress disorder after a traumatic event, or it can happen as you're working through your post traumatic stress disorder and kind of coming into a different way of viewing and perceiving the things that happen to you and a different way of talking to yourself about the things that happen to you, which is what we do when we're going through a lot of different types of therapeutic approaches to trauma, including cognitive processing therapy, which I talked about earlier. So, post traumatic growth can look like somebody who experienced severe child abuse, who then becomes a police officer or detective that investigates crimes against children and also has a nonprofit so that he can provide backpacks full of essentials for children who are taken away from their family out of a dangerous situation and having to be placed into foster homes. I met that man once, and his story was really compelling. And to think that if he just held on to the idea of being a victim or rejected the idea of having been a victim of child abuse, either way, either extreme, there's so many kids who would not have been positively impacted and felt like there's at least somebody out there, there's at least one person out there who really cares about them in a situation where their primary caregivers did not treat them very well. So this kindness from a stranger can really change the course of their lives. And that was because of the horrible things that this man experienced when he was a child. And the one person who noticed something and was able to get the authorities involved to do something about it.